All right, so we are pulling a shingle off of Ralph Stitt's garage. We're going to see where the underlayment goes on this, and we are going to see if we can actually do a repair on this. So we're going to take this ridge cap off first. And it broke. Pull this from underneath. Yeah, that shows us. So let's see what's underneath here.
More shingles. So we're gonna have to remove.
So the
1, 2,
front
3
is layered underneath the back, so we'd have to replace. So we definitely have to replace row 1. Row 1's gonna be nailed into row 2, so we're gonna have to replace at least 2 rows on the front section of the garage and the ridge.
obviously. So should I pull this shingle or?
Um,
I probably want to do
Yeah.
lower, huh?
pick one.
Yeah. So this is gonna go clear up in here. I'm gonna have to take out less now. But you can see how brittle these shingles are. It's already tearing right there.
Let's just see if we can get it to delaminate without breaking apart.
No.
So you can see we've already broke it right there. And this would be a row that we would be trying to keep. Broke again. Broke again. Well, don't completely chew it apart.
Okay.
See if you can get this one to separate from this row. See if we can get that one without it.
No. Got it. Destroying it?
Yeah.
There's no way. You can hear it ripping.
Yeah. All right.
Right there.
Okay. So tore again, right here, right there, right here. Sorry, right there, 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 and then this one down here. We've got a tear there, there,
There.
there. Sorry, lost it in the sunshine.
Yeah.
But whatever we try and do in order to get these shingles out, to get this one out, to find out how far underneath they are overlapped on that side, then it could be underlayment that goes all the way up over this side. But whatever we do with these front shingles, they break as we try and manipulate them.
Yeah, they'll be completely destroyed.
And this is the front of the garage. And if we were to have this complication run all the way along this row here, we would be left with, I don't know, at least a 2-foot strip of discolored or completely different colored shingle, and then a old brittle roof below it that has a lot of prior issues. But if we had to do 2 to 3 rows across the entire stretch of this, it wouldn't look good. And that's hoping that we don't break another row down below it.